Meet Shelley, a passionate entrepreneur with a big dream, getting her handmade products into major retail stores. But there's a challenge: EDI compliance. Retailers require strict electronic data interchange standards. For small business owners like Shelley, that often means dealing with complex systems, technical jargon, and expensive IT setups. She's not a tech expert, she's a business owner. That's where Comport's Cloud EDI solution comes in. It's browser-based, easy to use, and requires no IT background. Shelley can now exchange orders, invoices, and shipping notices all in one secure platform. She's meeting all retailer EDI requirements, processing transactions faster, and staying focused on growing her business. No IT team, no headaches, just results. With Commport, Shelley is already working with more retailers and scaling with confidence. There's no need to hire a tech team. The platform grows with her. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing small business, Commport gives you access to the same retail channels as the big players. Because business growth shouldn't depend on your tech skills. Commport removes the barriers. You bring the product, we handle the rest. Start selling smarter with Comport's Cloud EDI today.